What's going on, you guys? Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. I was supposed to feed my dog 20 minutes ago. He's usually very on point about his schedule, especially dinner time. But so far, he's still amidst a nap, so there's a very good chance that he's going to start harassing me 30 seconds into this video. But I was just thinking about, I'm actually reading a book right now called The Art of Talking to Yourself by Victoria Tugaleva, and which I believe is a Ukrainian name. So hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. But what her book is actually about, it's a non-self-help, self-help book, and she does a really good job explaining what that's supposed to mean in her book. But the whole point of her book is about there's so many self-proclaimed gurus and fixers and experts and authorities and coaches and stuff like that out there that all kind of, for monetary gain, promote that they have the solution to your problem. And we're in this society of like consumerism where it's like, oh, well, the next person must have the solution to my problem. Then we try that and it doesn't work. And the next person, well, okay, if I buy this program or this course or this book or pay this coach to tell me what to do, they're the ones that have the answer. And there must be someone who has more wisdom about my life and what I should do than I have. And so we're constantly seeking outside sources to give us direction, find the answers, find the correct answers, right? Instead of kind of trusting ourselves and what resonates with us. And as I was going through that, I was thinking about my job, because I obviously with Roof Sales Mastery am positioned as an authority or an expert in the industry. And obviously, you know, like a lot of my stuff works, otherwise people wouldn't be getting results. But I was thinking about that because I was like, you know, that is something that I want to make sure my audience knows that I know, which is there's a lot of people out there that have answers. And I don't want to say the answers, because there are so many things in life, whether it's business or it's your own personal life or relationships or challenges or problems that you have or whatever. There are various answers, and there's never just one. And so when it comes to choosing your expert or your coach or your, you know, what you're seeking education on to guide you in the right direction to get the results that you want, I want to encourage you guys to seek out something that works for you, that resonates with you, that rings true to you. Okay, my stuff might not be what resonates with you, and that's okay. Like, obviously it can't resonate with every single person, and there might be, you know, the next coach that has a completely different approach or different opinion or different teaching style or different training, and that might work for you because you're your own individual. And there is no right or wrong. There's a lot of different answers. You know, in fact, I just got off earlier today, a call about qualifying customers, and I was on there with Matt Danskin, and it was funny because in the beginning his mic actually wasn't working, and I was talking about how I don't harshly like prejudge customers, and I don't really go through a massive qualifying process when I'm doing like my roof sales or when I was doing my Cutco sales. Like, I really widened the net and relied on a different approach, and it worked for me. I sold, you know, $160,000 a month. I made a ton of money. It worked for me. And when he started to talk, he's like, I like have a completely different approach. We have a massive qualification process, and that works for him. And so I just wanted to kind of bring up this topic today because there is no one answer for anything. There's no one right way to do anything. What I want you guys to take away from this is find what works and what resonates for you and what you can relate to, and understand that that might change. At this stage in your life, what's true for you today might not be true for you tomorrow. What resonates with you today might not strike a chord with you next year, right? This is a constantly, you know, experience gained by you over time will create a different dynamic for you and different needs and requirements for you at the stage of your life that you're in, or the stage of your career, whatever it is that we're talking about, okay? So all of that to say, I want you to find your truth and find somebody who can guide you and show you ways to do it, and then you find what works for you, whoever that may be. Hope that makes sense to you guys today. As always, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can email me, Becca at roofsalesmastery.com if you have a specific question about enrollment, but also just visit roofsalesmastery.com, check out my programs, and if it's true for you, resonates for you, I would love to have you on board. I wish you guys the best. Keep it crunchy out there, and we'll catch you later. Bye.